Every journey towards success begins with a small step. In woodworking, that step often starts with a single piece of furniture. Perhaps it is a simple chair, a modest table, or a small shelf. At first, it may seem limited in scale, but in reality, it carries immense potential. Small furniture projects are the perfect starting point for anyone looking to build both skill and income. They are manageable, accessible, and capable of growing into a thriving woodworking business. Furniture is more than utility, it is a statement. It defines space, sets mood, and communicates style. When you craft a piece with care, you do more than create a functional object. You contribute beauty, structure, and comfort to the lives of others. Every curve, joint, and finish reflects your attention, your skill, and your artistic sensibility. And when your creations are shared with the world, they become sources of profit as well as pride. This video explores how to take small furniture ideas and turn them into meaningful products that generate income. It is about beginning where you are, working with materials you have, and gradually scaling your efforts into larger opportunities. It is about understanding the principles that make furniture desirable, useful, and profitable. And most importantly, it is about combining passion, patience, and persistence to turn your woodworking craft into a sustainable business. Even a modest piece of furniture, when designed thoughtfully, carries value beyond its size. It embodies intention, skill, and practicality. It serves a purpose while reflecting beauty. And when customers see and feel that value, they are willing to invest. That is the essence of starting small and earning big. Small beginnings, guided by vision, create opportunities for larger success. Small furniture projects offer a unique advantage for beginning woodworkers and aspiring entrepreneurs. Unlike large, complex pieces, small furniture is manageable in terms of time, materials, and skill. It allows you to experiment, refine techniques, and gain confidence without overwhelming resources or risk. Each project you complete builds both your portfolio and your reputation. It shows potential customers that your work is reliable, attractive, and functional. When considering which pieces to make, focus on furniture that combines utility and appeal. A compact stool may fit seamlessly into a small apartment. A simple side table may enhance a living room's atmosphere. A minimalist shelf may solve storage problems elegantly. People are drawn to furniture that solves a problem or enhances comfort while also adding aesthetic value. Understanding what people need and desire is the key to creating furniture that sells consistently. Attention to detail is crucial. The beauty of a piece is often in the subtle elements, smooth joints, clean edges, consistent finish, and balanced proportions. Small furniture projects allow you to focus on these details because the scale is manageable. When a customer notices precision, quality, and care, it strengthens their confidence in your work. It encourages them not only to purchase the item in front of them but to return for additional pieces or recommend your craft to others. Profitability comes when you balance cost, time, and value. Small furniture uses less material and requires less labor than larger pieces, which means your investment is lower and your margins can be higher. But profitability also depends on perceived value. A piece that looks and feels premium, even if it is small, can command a strong price if it is crafted with care. The quality of design, finish, and presentation plays a pivotal role in building both income and reputation. Starting small also provides flexibility. You can test different styles, materials, and finishes to see what resonates with customers. Perhaps a rustic design attracts a particular audience, while a modern minimalist style attracts another. By experimenting on a smaller scale, you gain valuable insight into market preferences without risking large amounts of material or time. This knowledge becomes invaluable as you scale to larger or more complex furniture pieces. As your skills and confidence grow, small projects become stepping stones to bigger opportunities. Each item you create builds technique, efficiency, and creative problem solving. You begin to understand wood movement, finishing techniques, joinery strength, and ergonomic design. You refine your workflow and develop intuition for what works best. This experience translates into more ambitious projects with larger impact and higher financial returns. Marketing your small furniture also becomes more approachable. Photography is simpler with smaller items. Shipping is easier. Displaying pieces at local markets or online stores is manageable. People appreciate seeing detailed images of well-finished items and reading the story behind their creation. Sharing your process, from raw wood to finished piece, adds authenticity and increases the perceived value of your work. Customers are willing to pay more for items that feel thoughtfully made. Building a small furniture business encourages scalability. A single table may lead to matching chairs, a set of stools, or a series of complementary pieces. Each small addition creates opportunities for repeat customers and larger orders. Over time, your workshop, skills, and portfolio expand naturally. Small furniture projects are like seeds, planted carefully, nurtured consistently, and grown into a flourishing business. Creativity is your greatest asset. Even simple designs can stand out if they carry unique features, elegant forms, or thoughtful functionality. Adding subtle details such as carved edges, interesting joinery, or unique finishes can elevate the piece and make it memorable. When you combine practicality, aesthetics, and originality, you create pieces that are not just furniture, but statements of craftsmanship. Profit and purpose can coexist beautifully. You are not only earning income but providing items that enhance someone's living space, comfort, and quality of life. Each small piece of furniture has the potential to impact daily life. A stool becomes a reliable perch for a child, a table becomes the setting for shared meals, a shelf becomes a holder of cherished books. Your craft influences how people live, and that influence carries both meaning and value. Consistency is key. Producing small furniture regularly allows you to meet demand, refine techniques, and build trust with customers. Over time, your efficiency improves, and your earnings increase. Each piece becomes a testament to your dedication and skill. The cumulative effect is significant. Small pieces add up to a sustainable income, while your skill and reputation grow steadily. Ultimately, starting small teaches you patience. Every large success begins with small steps. In furniture making, starting small allows you to grow steadily, build skill, and understand your market. Each chair, table, or shelf you craft is a bridge to larger opportunities. With care, creativity, and persistence, small projects evolve into a thriving business, where income and artistic fulfillment coexist beautifully. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.